everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. I just wanted to show you a few highlights of a get-together myself and two other content creators had on Saturday, August 13th. We met at the parking lot near Tim Hortons parking lot and we had a little get-together. So there was right here in this picture, Cindy, the crocheter A, is on the left, I'm in the middle, and Karen Pruden's Let's Stitch and Make Up is Karen's channel. So I'll link those channels below. Make sure you go check them out. Cindy lives in the same city I do, and Karen lives just outside the city. We've gotten together a few times, and it's always been so much fun. All right, so I went there with some gifts. I know, but I had bought some yarn and I had showed it on my channel, and I said one was for me and one was for Cindy, the crocheter A. Well, we finally got together. I was able to give it to her, and I had a couple other things too for her and Karen. And so yeah, so let's watch those clips. I didn't record us, you know, conversating or anything. I didn't want to, you know, bore you too much. I mean, it was just a lot of talking and laughing. Oh my gosh, these girls are a blast. But I just wanted to share with you the videos of them opening their gifts from me. A couple of things they're going to be opening is merch, my merch. And I actually got those to put in a giveaway, but then we decided to meet, and I'm like, oh, I have to give them as gifts to these lovely ladies. So I did. I ordered some other merch to put in a giveaway. So yeah, so you'll have to watch for that on my channel. All right, let's take a look at Cindy and Karen opening their gifts.
I guess I'm oh, this yarn I don't have. I have the other sparkly purple kind.
Is it a cloud cake too?
No, I have wow. No, I don't have this one. I have the like really shimmery ones.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Oh, the shimmery?
Yeah, well, St. Street is on that side, we're on this side.
Okay.
No, right side.
Oh. Owl. No, I don't want to. This is your truck, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna, don't make me forget that. I'll show the card. Oh, it's orange too. I was gonna say it wasn't orange. That's what I was doing this afternoon, was reading about caps. Now I see. Cool. I got some merch. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't want to lose it. So then I have an idea what this might be, but I'm gonna.
All the way down, buddy. And then the guy tells me,
Oh, I don't even need a bag. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
I don't need it to bring a bag.
I made that one quite a while ago, and I thought, you know, you'll probably like that.
I do. This is going to be if I go out and do crochet. I'm going to just stuff everything in right now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm going to, no, I'm going to just hold up for now. And then, I'm excited because I think I know what this is. I eyed it and I'm like, ooh, I want one.
I wonder if it's the one. I have two different designs.
I'm not sure. But I know I'm like, it's a, oh, I'm afraid so. Well packed. Is this what people will get when
Yeah.
they...
Yep.
I like it. It's well packed.
Yeah.
So the guy couldn't do his cat wheel. So we had to bring it up.
I got the owl.
Yep, yep.
Nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Aw. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I will definitely use this. I'll probably leave it in the package and then put it where I move and then...
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That kind of
Okay.
When are you?
framing.
Everybody needs to move out of the building by the end of September.
First started, they wanted me to
Yeah.
There we go. Karen.
Oh, that's so
Were these homemade cards? No.
Yeah.
Oh, they were?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? It was so professionally done because of the back. I thought it was, you bought it.
Look at it, I got I love it.
Well, that card, Cindy, actually was a bought card, but I
Yeah, you
decorated
upped
it.
up a bit.
I decorated it up a bit. Yeah.
It always is nice to do.
Yeah.
But it still has your...
So pretty. Love it.
Oh, that yarn is soft.
That is soft. Ooh, a cloud cake. I have not been able to get any of these.
Oh.
No, I've tried.
Well, there you
Couldn't
go.
get any.
Oh, they are soft.
I know, eh? They named them right.
I am making something for myself. I never make anything for myself. I make it for everybody else.
Yeah. Or the dog and the cat.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, that's so
See,
nice.
now my mind goes to what can I knit? Because I know I probably could knit something.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. My color.
Yes, I know.
Okay, now we got this top.
And I like it because it's long enough where I could.
It's
Here we go.
There's Cindy with her bag.
da da da.
Bam!
Oh, look it! It's so cute.
Did you get the owl too? Yeah.
Yeah, same one.
Aw, I like the owl on there too.
I like the look of
That's
it being
awesome.
faded and then it. Yeah.
Yeah. That was by Coco.
Okay.
Cocktails and Crochet.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's her design she made for me.
Oh, I'm gonna be having my coffee out of this tomorrow.
Ooh.
Morning. Thank you so much. I love it all.
You're welcome.
You're so sweet.
Aw. Tell me how sweet I am, Cindy.
Oh no. You remind me of Lisa. Oh, I should show you. She sent me little video clips on my phone. And she's like, hi Darla, hi Karen, I wish I was there with you. And then she's like, get me an apple fritter. And then she bossed me around and said, now do a live, do a live. So that's why I was doing a live.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I wish Lisa could have come.
Yeah.
She's a little far away.
Yeah.
Wasn't that a lot of fun? Oh, I just love those girls so much. So, yeah, it was just a great time. We were there for, I don't know, like 3 hours or something. It was a beautiful evening. We'd been praying all week for a beautiful day, and it turned out to be perfect. Perfect. So thank you, God. So, what am I working on? This is my next tutorial. So yeah, I don't know when it's going to be up, but it will be up sometime. Alright, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I have some yarny goodness coming. I don't even know what all I ordered from different places. I have really gone a little bit overboard. Maybe. Anywho. So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Alright, bye.
Woof.